Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And today I'm gonna show y'all how to engrave your images the correct way. Say you wanna engrave the cool face emoji with the sunglasses on. You find a black and white emoji, you download it, you throw it in your laser engraver, and you start engraving. And it comes out looking like this. That is the wrong way to engrave. I'm gonna show you how to engrave the correct way, and when you engrave and cut it out, it's gonna come out looking like this. Which one you like better? So we're about to jump into CorelDRAW, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it the correct way. All right, now we are in CorelDRAW, and we're gonna start with a PNG image. How you know it's a PNG image? We're gonna go up here to view modes, and we're gonna go up here to wireframe. If the image looks like this, most likely it's a PNG. All right, we're gonna zoom in on it so I can show y'all. See these pixelated lines right here? They should be straight, but we're gonna change it into a vector so we can make the line straight. All right, so let's go back up here. Let's change it back to enhance. So the first thing we're gonna do is let's just create a second page. All right, go back to our first page. We're gonna select our image and we're gonna go up here to trace bitmap. I'm gonna go up here to outline trace, line art. Let it do its thing. Remove the background, merge adjacent, and delete original image. Okay, if we go up here to view modes and go to wireframe and we zoom in on it, you will see that the lines are now straight, or somewhat straight, you know, straight enough. All right, cool. Let's change it back to enhance. We're going to select the image. We're gonna go up here, we're gonna put a hairline around it, and we're going to unfill it. We're going to select the image again. We're going to go up here to ungroup, select out of the image, then just select the image again. And we're going to go up here to object and we're going to break curve apart. So once we break curve apart, it's going to break up all of the pieces that's inside of the design. Take the outside design and we're going to edit. And we're going to copy it, go over here to the second page, and we're going to edit, paste. This is gonna be our cut line right here. All right, so we're gonna go over here to the properties. We're gonna change it to a RGB red color like that. This is gonna be the cut line to cut it out. Okay, now let's go back to the first page and we're gonna get our engraving part. We're gonna go over here to the Smart Fill tool and we're going to select inside right here and we're gonna select this part right here. This is basically like the opposite sides or the insides of the black and white. To make so you can see what I'm saying, we're going to select the image right here and we're going to change it to black. So we're going to select the turquoise parts that we just filled, these smart fills, and we're going to hold down the shift and we're going to select the other part. We're going to go up here to edit, we're going to go to copy, we're going to go over to the second page and we're going to edit, paste. And while it's still selected, we're going to go up here to our outline tool and we're going to change it to none. All right, because we don't want no cut line around it. We just want it to engrave. So this is the way that I like to engrave my images. It's going to cut out the red line and this blue turquoise color is going to engrave it. You want to basically do it in like you want to invert the colors. Like if you see a drawing and it's black and it's white, you want to invert. You want to make all of the black parts white and all of the white parts black. And then when you engrave, it's gonna give you the right way to engrave your images. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go make something else. Peace.